think so last period I had taught you or read something lesson. Read the lesson. What is the name of that lesson? Maharashtra before Shivaji. Very good. That's well. So I think so today I will teach you the lesson and give you some question answers too. You will read the lesson as well as you will learn the question answers. Tomorrow I am going to take the test of the first lesson, Maharashtra before Shivaji. Okay students? So we will start with our lesson, Maharashtra before Shivaji. Maharashtra before Shivaji. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with a great pomp and reverence. It is a happy day for you children. You sing songs and powdas in his honor. You garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. Who was this Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? Now in this passage, we say that Shivaji Maharaj is a great person. Great person means a noble. He has done a good thing and we call him as a noble as well as a great person. But we celebrate his birthday with putting him garland, singing powdas. Powdas are nothing like we are like dolls and tashas and all the things. We can sing it together and make a small song like powdas. In same way, I'm thinking like why we are celebrating Shivaji Maharaj's birthday. My birthday also can be celebrated every year. Everyone. But I have not done anything. Shivaji Maharaj has done something, na? That's why we celebrate Shivaji Maharaj's birthday. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. In those days, monarchy or the rules of the king prevailed everywhere. Many of the king pursued their own pleasure and enjoyment instead of welfare of their subject. But even in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subject. The Mughal Empire Akbar in the north and the Empire Krishnadev Rai of Vijayanagar in the south are the famous in history for their beloved rules. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. Now, Shivaji Maharaj was in a medieval period. Ancient means very long back before. Medieval means it is in the middle period. And a modern period which we are living in. So Shivaji Maharaj was in which period? In medieval period. Which period he was in? Medieval period. So in medieval period, there were two kings. One was Krishnadev Rai, one was Akbar. Akbar was from north and Krishnadev Rai was from south. And Akbar was of Mughal Empire and Krishnadev Rai was of Vijayanagar. Shivaji Maharaj also commanded their respect even today. Means Shivaji Maharaj was very honored, very respectful to them because they had done very good work for their subjects. Subject is nothing but many people together for the Swaraj is called a subject. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. Means before Shivaji Maharaj ruled for Maharashtra, there were two sultans, Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. So these two sultans had divided Maharashtra, that this part is mine, that part is mine, this part is mine, that part is yours. Like this they had divided the Maharashtra state, and they were very bad people. They didn't saw what the people wanted. They harassed them, they paid them, they didn't give them food also. So Shivaji Maharaj was like, what is this? When he heard all these stories, they were were not liberal in their outlooks. They obsessed the people whom over the rule. They were also sworn enemies of each other. The constant fought against each other with the result of the people suffering and harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, not nor could they celebrate their festival or worship their god openly and freely. They were not sure of the safety even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Vatanda. So they didn't have food. They didn't let them to go to the god temple to worship the god. They were telling like, no, you're poor people. You cannot go. We are big people. We can go in. We are rich people. We can go to the temples. You all cannot go. You are not you are not allowed to come in the temple. Like this, all the things were going in Adil Shah and Nizam Shah's rule. So, next. In Maharashtra, there were many Vatandas like Deshmukhs and Deshpande who owned Jagir. They looked at Jagirs and not their countries. The constant fight among them brought great mysteries to the people. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of oppressing and were very unhappy. So there were two people also, like Vatandas, Deshmukhs and Deshpande. Who were the two Vatandas? Deshmukh and Deshpande. These two were the Vatandas of Maharashtra. But they also were like, no, what are the people doing? Let them do. We will beat them. We will take their food. We will not give everything. And these two people only fighting and fighting. But these people fighting, other people who are poor were getting very disturbed and they were not having food. They didn't follow any rules. They were misruled. Means they were not telling that do not fight. If they talk also they were killed. So they didn't let even to talk to the people like I am telling you do something. No, you who are you to tell me these all things? It was like that. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which could bring happiness to the people. He first brought to the book of Vatandas who fought among themselves. Then he used them in the plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the power that oppressed the people and defeated them. So later on what he did, Shivaji Maharaj saw each and everything, what Deshmukh is doing, what Deshpande is doing. So what Shivaji did, he called them both together for a meeting and he told that we can establish our own Swaraj. Then fighting both together is no use. The rulers are like Nizam Shah and Adil Shah is ruling Maharashtra and we are sitting like this only. It's no, we will make our own Swaraj of Maharashtra. We will fight against Adil Shah and Nizam Shah both. So Deshpande and Deshmukh agreed Shivaji Maharaj. He established Hind Devi Swaraj based on justice, fair play and equal treatment to the people, caste and religion. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the saints of all religions. We draw inspiration from the noble deeds. So Shivaji Maharaj, what he did, he didn't saw that you're Hindu, you're Muslim. No, you all come in our Maharashtra, so we will become Swaraj. So he kept the Swaraj name Hind Devi. What was the Swaraj name? Hind Devi. So he kept his Swaraj name Hind Devi. He made Hindu, Muslim, each and everyone in his army. So all they made a plan like we will become a soldiers. We will fight for our Maharashtra and whatever things. He didn't like poor people. You're poor, so you cannot come. No, you all also come. You all also help us. No, you are very this. You are that. No, you all everyone help us. Help me and make our Swaraj free from Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. During a period of about these 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in successful effort of establishing Swaraj. We shall see the next chapter what these saints did. So Shivaji Maharaj was like, he had ideas, but these ideas he referred from saints, ancient saints who had saints were telling love, affection, take care, take care of others, respect others, praise to God, and all these points came note to Shivaji. And then he planned each and everything lovingly, caringly. He made his own Swaraj and freed from Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. He made his subjects happy also. He made whatever his subjects wanted, he gave them. He respected each and everyone, each and every religious too. So he never made like, you are my religion, so I'll give you big post. You are my religion, I'll give you. You are not my religion, I'll give you less post. No. What if the person is brilliant, good in activities of that subject, that particular part? He was like, no, you can do this. So this is the lesson. So I'll ask you some questions, okay? Which period it was Shivaji Maharaj was met with, right? Whose birthday we were celebrating? Shivaji Maharaj, right? Who were the kings who ruled before? Krishna Dev Rai and Akbar. Who ruled later on for Maharashtra? Adil Shah Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmedabad. Okay, these are the points. Then later on, what name Shivaji Maharaj had kept for the Swaraj? Hind Devi Swaraj. Okay. Later on, how many years later before the saints were? 300 to 400 years before. Okay. You like the lesson? So read the lesson very nicely and answer the following questions.